Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're talking about hot water services for when you're out camping so you can have a shower. I was contacted some time ago by Vic Off-Road here in Victoria. They offered me some products earlier on in the game and I didn't really need anything at the time, and then I went out and bought the new She-8 and I needed a new hot water service. I'm going camping completely off grid for 5 days in a couple of weeks and I thought, well, I'm probably going to need some hot water. I probably wouldn't mind having a shower. So they sent me one for free. Now, they have lots of different brands on their website, and this particular brand is Samhea, which is one of their brands. They sent it to me, as I said before, for free. So I'm going to open it up, test it out while I'm at home, because there's nothing worse than getting out camping, trying to set something up new, and it doesn't work. So we're going to open the box up, see what they sent me, set it up, try it out, test it out, and we'll see how we go. All right, let's take it from there. Let's open the box up and have a look, see what's inside. Here we go. All right, so we've got some clear hose. I don't know what it's for yet, we'll soon find out. We've got another box of goodies in here. Let's have a look at there. They give you a nice shower hose by the looks of things. A gas connection. That has the old style gas connection in it, so that's not here nor there, we'll work on that. A pump, so you can pump your water through, so it's independent. That's pretty good. That's that one. The connection for your pump. Little on-off switch there. Ciggy lighter attachment. And one to go to your battery. I'll probably delete these clamps and put an Anderson plug in that one for the camper. And then we have a box, or a packet of fittings I should say, with some instructions inside. Good. It's always a good start for the day when you've got some instructions. So that's them there, some fittings. And again, 15% off a voucher I got in this one. So that's good. It's in the box. Take that one out and then we'll have a look at the unit itself. And that's the unit itself. It's got an important notice here. Let's have a read of that quickly. Set so you don't burn yourself, and that's the unit itself, just there. Alright, get rid of the box if you can. It's really well packed actually, to be quite honest with you. So that's the unit itself. It's all nice in here. Just there. There. It's pretty cool. Right, let's put this thing together and see how we go. Alright, they do supply you with a little spannery thing here. Now, it'll fit on the brass fitting, but it won't fit on here. So, just get this and throw it in the bin. Just get yourself a 24mm for the brass fitting here. And a shifter. Now I've tried a 19mm, a 3/4. I don't have a 20mm spanner, so I'm suggesting you just throw away that tool, get yourself the right tools to fit it up so you don't break it. So let's fit this on. Just fit the shower connection. It says right there, water outlet. So obviously this is the shower out. It's pretty easy to put on, I would think. Not too difficult about it. Oh, easy enough. They do give you some tape to put on there to stop the water leaks. Then you've got your water inlet. It's this one just here. It's a bit of a filter in there. Puts that on. Pop some batteries in here, which is fairly easy to work out. Positive, negative, negative, positive. It goes in like one. And part 2. With the connections, really easy, pretty basic. Just remember that tool, throw it in a bin, get yourself some decent shifters and things like that for there, because you don't want to put too much pressure on the little thing there, because you can snap that doohickey in there. Now the pump, there is a little bit of a difference. It's self-priming, which is good. Runs on 12 volt, but I'll show you what's important on the pump. Pump, self-priming, works a treat. There's a little arrow on here which supplies the unit itself. So if you're connecting your unit up, make sure that arrow is going into your unit, and the other part there is to draw the water from your water supply. That's it. Let's hook it up and give it its first test run in the backyard. Let's give it a crack. Nice and warm. There's another setting here. Cool. That worked an absolute treat. Now, as I said before, previously in the video, I was supplied to me for free from Vic Off-Road, their website. They're not giving me a discount code or anything like that. So I'm really happy they actually supplied me something for nothing. Bonus for me, for the new Sheo camper. Now I get to use this out in the bush in a couple of weeks, off grid so to speak. We'll see how it really goes then. Pump was a little bit noisy, but then again, I am in a carport and I'm at home, so if it was out in the bush, it'd probably be a lot quieter. Alright, don't forget guys, hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video, and it's bye for now.